This 2013 Forest River XLR Thunderbolt 386X12 HP is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Albuquerque, New Mexico, 87121 and is offered for sale by Good Sense RV and Motors. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Forest River and features a brown, tan interior, sleeps 4, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.